So the basic stretching you have to do starting from head to toe. So start with the neck rotation, clockwise, do it 5 to 10 times, rotate it, then you go anti-clockwise, do it slow as possible. After doing that, put your neck, try to touch your ears and shoulders, hold it for 5 to 10 seconds, and then again other side, left side, and then done. Now just rotate your neck, push your chin, try to push it behind your shoulder, same as well to the left, and then you go with the arm stretchings, starting with the wrist rotation, clockwise, and then anti-clockwise. Now you do the complete arm rotation, front 10 times, just doing 5 or 10 times, and then back side 5 to 10. Then stretch your triceps, helps you stretch your triceps and shoulder. Pull it, hold 5 to 10 seconds, right side, then done. On the left side, 5 to 10 seconds, done. Then shoulder, keep your arm this side, lock it, both the elbows, press and look this side. So this will help you stretch the delts, rear delts and the front delts. Hold it 5 to 10 seconds, done. Then the other side. Then go with the side stretch. Spread your legs wide apart. Hold your knees back. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds. Again the other side. Same way. 5 to 10 seconds. Done. Now same way. Keep your legs wide apart. Twist. Just twist your upper body. This will help you stretch your lower back, including your upper back. Then you go with the leg stretching. Keep your one leg forward, one leg back. When you go down, you feel the stretch here, right here, on the quads muscle. Then same other side. This you have to hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. This will help you stretch your quads muscle. Hold it. Keep your back straight. Don't lean forward, keep your back straight. Then done. Then go with the hamstring stretch. Keep your one foot forward, both the knees light and steady, locked. Go down, try to touch the floor, all the 5 fingers. For the beginners, it will be hard to touch the 5 fingers on the floor. Those who have very good flexibility, they can touch it. But those who don't have flexibility, not much, you can try to touch the toe or else floor. Same way here. This will help you stretch your hamstrings along with the calf. Done. Then the last one is ankle stretch. Rotate it clockwise, then anti-clockwise. Same as well as here. So that's it. That's it, the stretching. Thank you. Subscribe, like and comment.